Hello everyone, this is Hackbits. We are participating in a hackathon hosted by IBM. Our problem statement is zero hunger, and based on our problem statement, we have done some research. And according to our research, few of the major reasons of hunger are poverty, wastage of crop, less production, loss of crop due to pests and other reasons, malnutrition due to unavailability of food. We prototyped an application keeping in mind these problems. We named that application Krishi Boost. We decided to build an Android application for farmers to provide them with expert solutions to all their problems and needs, giving them best advices about efficient growing of crops, prevention and cure of crop diseases, and renting machinery on need. We are providing helpline services through which they can perform all tasks from placing orders to selling items. All the features of the application can be accessed through helpline. Um, a farmer can log in through phone number, password, or email. Um, After logging in, we have 7 features in this application. Um, One is production, where we ask questions to farmers when they call helpline, or they can directly access it from the application. After answering, we provide AI-based solution to the problem. If it is not possible, it is forwarded to an expert. In machinery, we provide machinery when in need on less prices. Donation users can donate directly through application. Diet, here we provide details about good foods and redirect them to sales. Mart, in Mart we sell products, and in Sell on Krishi Boost, farmers can sell their products in application, giving them higher prices for their products, which will be sold in our mart. Pest and weed control, we on facing any difficulties during crop, expert help will be provided. Products can be bought from the mart when necessary. Technologies used are AI for providing fast solution whenever necessary, GeoJSON for delivering purposes, database for storing all the information. We choose Android applications since not many farmers have laptops or computers to access, and helpline number will always be available. This helps farmers with basic mobiles also to perform tasks. All the tasks performed during the helpline conversation will automatically be updated in their profile. They can afterwards come and check the updates in their application. This is little bit about the application which prototype which we have built for the hackathon. Thank you.